So now I'm going to add a deck around my house. Now we see what's on the plan, but I think I'm going to change it up a little bit. We know that the foundation is 1 foot tall. So I'm going to just grab the guideline tool. I'm going to pull it up 1 foot. And you'll also see that that corresponds with where the bottom of the door is. But in reality, we don't actually need that. I know that my deck is going to start at 1 foot. I'm going to use the line tool and I'm going to draw a line across using that guideline. Then I'm going to delete the guideline because once I've got it in there, I don't really need it again. So now this wall is separated at the 1 foot mark. And so I'm going to start to create with the push-pull tool my decks. With this house, I kind of wanted to have a really airy feel, so I am going to have decks almost all the way around. This measurement here is 8 feet, so that actually gives you a really nice deck to work with. So I'm going to go to the end point here and I'm going to draw it across, and you'll notice that it's snapping on that line and on the red axis, so we know everything is parallel. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to use the push-pull tool to bring this out 8 feet, and I'm going to type in 8 feet and I'm going to delete this line because I want it to be one continuous deck. Now I also want the same thing to happen on the outside. I'm also going to erase this guideline because I don't think I need it anymore. Again, I'm going to use pencil tool. I know that this is 1 foot off, so I continue this line going across, and as long as it's snapped on the axis, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to pull this one out, 8 feet, and I'm also going to erase this. So now we have a deck that wraps all the way around the front. You'll notice that this is where the front door is. Now this is a 1 foot drop here. That's really too big for a step and it's not realistic. So what we want to do is we want to divide this in half so that we have a nice step coming around to the front door. And to do that, we know that this is 1 foot. So I know that if I bring my line to the midpoint, that's exactly 6 inches, right? So, and I'm going to let it snap onto the green axis, and I'm actually going to bring that all the way around. So there's like this nice little kind of deck area that allows you to walk up into the front. And I'm going to push and pull this part out, maybe 3 feet, maybe 4 feet would be nice. It's nice wide enough that you can walk on it comfortably. And I'm going to put a texture on it with boards so that it indicates that it's a deck. But I have this nice kind of natural step up into the front door. That's how you add a deck to your model.